Hello, so today I'm having my car's exhaust. That's what's happening here. And some of the bolts are seized on the exhaust, so they're having to be burnt off. And I've come to Paul, who did a gundo hack on my car to make it sound awesome. And now a year later on, I need to just have the exhaust back box fixed because it started to blow a little bit. So we've got the driver's side muffler off, and now we're just about to remove the passenger side, which is the one which is blowing. See, it just drops out nice and easily from the bottom of the car. There you go, 2 Porsche mufflers off. Right, I want to show you something pretty funny. So this is the driver's side exhaust. If you just shake it, Paul.
I think that the cat has fallen apart, which is what that kind of large kind of sound is. I think it's a portion of the cat, but we'll find out in a minute when I cut it open.
Is the other one as bad?
Bizarrely, no.
That one's good, isn't it?
Yeah, and this is the one that's actually worse.
That's the one that's blowing?
Yes.
So this is what happens with these mufflers. The seams split and they start to blow from there, but this one is blowing through here. Now Paul's cleaned up the exhaust, you can actually see the crack. Look at it. No wonder it's blowing. Look at that, that's awful. I'm going to put a new seam on it as well now. So it's just a case of getting a piece of stainless steel. Then you put it over the seam and lock it into place. Now it's just a case of welding the strip in place so it doesn't fall off.
It better not fall off.
So this is the finished exhaust. We've got a seam along here. We've got a big solid weld there because there's nothing really to weld to. And then we've got a seam there and a seam there. And it actually took 40 minutes.
I think we can safely say that that is cat.
So that's a catalytic converter.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So we're making a third hole now to try and find this broken bit of catalytic converter, which is eluding us. Look what we've done to this exhaust. We've basically butchered it completely, but we have found the rattly cause.
That is definitely a cat. I don't even know how that got past the actual pipe.
It's like the size of a small potato. Yeah. It's definitely time for a new cat. So what we've got to do is fit the baffle that we cut out, seemingly unnecessarily. Ah. And you've got to weld it into that little gap. It's like keyhole surgery. So it's been about half an hour since Paul started hacking away at my muffler to remove this huge piece of catalytic converter, and he's just putting the final bits of the jigsaw puzzle back together again, and then he can start doing the actual seam welding, which was the original plan for this muffler. Jobs always take longer than you think they're going to, don't they? So here we have the final seam going on the exhaust muffler now. The exhausts have been fixed, and here they are here. Look, you can see the seam just running down there, the stainless steel covering, the weld on the top where it was blowing. Show you the other one. That's quite a tricky one to do, down here. And of course you can see the patches from where we went hunting for that piece of catalytic converter, but thankfully we did find it. So finally the exhausts are going back into place, and it should be a much easier job than removing them. And this is the final muffler being attached now. So that's it then, job done. The exhausts are back on. All we need to do now is start the car and make sure it's running fine. So go on, Paul. Yeah, that's sounding pretty good. It's not blowing like it was before, so that's much better. It's job done. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. You click on the video windows for more content. Also, click below the video to go to Paul's website.